Hello YouTube, today I'll be reviewing my new truck that I just recently purchased. This is a 2016 Ford F250 Lariat FX4. This is the 6.7 powerstroke engine. As you guys can see, I went ahead and changed the headlights to the LED headlights with the LED trim at the bottom. Painted the front bumper black with the RBP decal. I went ahead and also changed the fog lights to LED. Installed a bull bar bumper, or push bar, whatever you guys want to call it. It's got a N30 from Rough Country steering wheel stabilizers. Move on to the side here. Truck is sitting on a 6-inch lift from Rough Country. As you guys can see, it's sitting on Cooper STT Discover. Those are 38s, 13.5, 20 with a 20x12 moto middle, negative 44. It's a lot of gap in here, if you guys can see. Sorry, this is my first YouTube video, so for all you guys out there that just waiting on somebody to make a mistake, you know, just give me a break in the comment section. Tinted the front windows 20%, 5 over factory in the back. Went ahead and replaced the LED turn signal mirror. We blacked out the F250 Lariat Super Duty. For all you guys that don't know, actually, this truck is kodiak brown, if you can pay attention to that color in the sun. It was hard to find. I had to drive about 3.5 hours to a different city to go pick up the truck. But yeah, anyways, just blacked out these side steps also. Truck's sitting pretty clean and nice. It's a little dusty, but overall it's actually kind of clean, I say. Changed the LED third brake light. As you guys can see, I ordered the tail light or brake lights LEDs also. They're coming in the mail pretty soon. I'll go ahead and put that on. This truck has the complete EGR delete with the block off kit plates, and also it has the diamond eye 5-inch exhaust all the way down to a 7-inch RBP exhaust tip. I'll let you guys hear that in a minute. This is the fully loaded version of Ford. The Lariat package with the heated cooled front seats, heated back seats, hill descents and whatnot. I went ahead and upgraded the interior lights, dome lights, to LEDs also, as you can see. H&S Minimaxx tuner. Heated cooled front seats. Heated rear seats. My first diesel truck, so I'm kind of learning. H&S Minimaxx tuner, diamond eye 5-inch exhaust with the 8-inch RBP tip, EGR completely removed with the block off plates. Truck sounds like a beast. Go ahead and start it for you guys. This thing sounds like a train on the road. I'll go ahead and post another video later on of me driving it so you guys can hear it. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, it's my first YouTube video. Go easy in the comment section. If I have missed anything or missed to say anything, you guys let me know, please. Thank you for watching.